converted into new substance we call product. With different properties, right? With different properties. Write the example, heating potassium permanganate. Write the one of the example, heating potassium permanganate. Heating potassium permanganate. Right. Another reaction we can identify, this is one of the common reaction, magnesium react with hydrochloric acid producing hydrogen gas as well as magnesium chloride salt. Right, the next one, commonly we call, right, metal and acid reaction. Right, the next one, metal and acid reactions. Metal and acid reaction. Within the bracket, write down reaction of magnesium with hydrochloric acid. Reaction of magnesium with hydrochloric acid, HCl. Reaction of magnesium with hydrochloric acid. Right, for the next one, third one, acid and base reaction, Amla Bhasma Pratikriya. Right, the third one, acid and base reactions. Acid and base reaction. Acid and base reactions. Within the bracket, write the example, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Right, for the write the next one, reaction of copper sulfate, reaction of copper sulfate and zinc metal. Reaction of copper sulfate and zinc metals. Reaction of copper sulfate and zinc metals. Right, for the next one, we need to conduct one of the experiment. For the all the experiment, I try to make a video clip and upload to the YouTube and send to the link to you. මම ඔයගොල්ලන් link එක දාලා ඇති. ඒ link එක දාලා ඕනනම් ඒ ඔක්කොම මෙතනදී ඒ කියන්නේ මේ reactions ටික එතන තියෙනවා. මට පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන් හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලන් පෙන්නේත් දන්නේ නැහැ. මම ඉන්න පැත්ත ටිකක් බලන්න පේනවාද කියලා මම නම් try කරන්නම් දාලා පෙන්නන්න. හරි. මට පේන්නේ නැත්නම් කියන්න. එතකොට මම මෙතන ඔයගොල්ලන් link එක දාලානේ තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. පුතේ පේන්නේ නැත්නම් කියන්න. එතන මම මෙහෙන් කට් කරන්නම්. මම හිතන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. කොටෙන් තාම කොටන්නේ නැහැ. හරි බලන්න පේනවනම් කියන්න. නැත්නම් පේනවද?
පේනවා සර්. greatest joys of inorganic chemistry are the beautiful sights you create for your eyes to feast on daily. Today we shall be investigating the reaction between zinc and copper sulfate. For this experiment, we prepared 50 milliliters of 0.1 molar copper sulfate and a strip of zinc metal. As you can see, two solutions of copper sulfate were made, one as the control, the other as the experimental, to observe any differences to the solutions after zinc was added. So why does this beautiful reaction happen? Well, copper sulfate is consumed during this reaction and zinc sulfate is created. The solution becomes colorless as zinc sulfate is colorless in itself. And because zinc has no unpaired electron in its d orbitals, its salts will not have any color. So I hope you guys take away two things from this video. First, achieving a basic understanding of a simple single displacement redox reaction. And second, learning that chemistry
Because they are the related experiment, right? In this unit, right? So you can identify, you could gain several observations. So they are the observation might be happen during a chemical reaction, right? Okay, then it is possible by using following evidences to conclude that a chemical reaction has taken place, right? So what could you see? And you can identify color change, right? The first one, color change, first one changing color. Try the first one, change in color. Change in color. For the next one, remember magnesium react with hydrochloric acid producing hydrogen gas. Write the second one, evolving gas. Evolving gas. Evolving gas. For the next one, right? Formation of precipitate. Write the third one, formation of precipitate. So remember, two liquids mixed together making a white color solid. It's called precipitate, right? It's called precipitate. Another evidence, for the sometime temperature increase, sometime temperature decrease, right? When magnesium metal react with hydrochloric acid, temperature unusually increase, right? When sodium glucose reacted with water, that's been hydrolysis of the glucose, temperature is decreasing, right? Write the next one, change in temperature. Write the next one, change in temperature. Change in temperature. Right, for the next one, sometime producing sound, right? Write the next one, produce sound. Produce sound. One of the example during the bomb blast, producing massive sound. At the same time, think about the combustion, producing light. Write the next one, producing light. So they are the observation might be happen during a chemical reaction. Right, one or two or more observations may be happen during a chemical reaction.
Producing
Producing light. Producing light. හරිද? For the activity, identifying the variation of chemical reactions, material required, magnesium ribbon, zinc granules, potassium permanganate, barium chloride, sulfuric acid, boiling tube, test tubes, a Bunsen burner and dry cell and iron plate. For the first one, we need to heat the piece of magnesium. Remember the observation, produce light, bright white light, and residue, residue, it has magnesium oxide, white powder, right? Right. In next one, heating crystal of potassium permanganate. So the externally difficult to identify anything because producing oxygen gas, color of the KMnO4 commonly externally doesn't change, right? But when we insert a glowing splinter, you can identify it start to relight and again relighting. The reason gases evolve. The name of this gas is oxygen because glowing splinter relight again. That means support of combustion. So gases evolve during the reaction. Then next one, copper sulfate solution and zinc metal. What happened? At the beginning, what is the color of the copper sulfate? Light blue color or greenish blue color. When reaction continuously take place, finally, and this blue color solution turns to colorless state, as well as the bottom of the test tube or bottom of the beaker on the piece of zinc deposit copper. Therefore, piece of zinc turn to brown color, as well as the bottom of the container deposit copper, right? The next one. Took a little barium chloride solution and little sulfuric acid. So at the beginning, both colorless liquid. When these two colorless liquids mix together, remember what will happen and will produce white color solid, right, in the liquid medium. And this form white color solid commonly we call precipitate, right? Then we need to draw the sketch for the method. For the sketch, right, and try to draw this sketch. Held the magnesium ribbon into the Bunsen burner. First one. And draw the Bunsen burner. And this is the magnesium strip. Magnesium. Mg. Right. Then second one. About the method, right? And draw this diagram. Next one, heater crystal potassium permanganate. For the heating KMnO4. KMnO4. N is only simple and using the Bunsen burner. The second experiment. After that, we need to ignite a glowing splinter. We need to insert a glowing splinter. Like that. What is that glowing splinter? Glowing splinter. Third one, took some copper sulfate solution into the test tube and zinc granules. And this is the test tube. Copper sulfate, need to add some zinc granule. Zinc, and this is copper sulfate. its color blue. Copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. Then fourth one, and we need to mix barium chloride BaCl2 plus H2SO4. H2SO4 means sulfuric. Then form white color precipitate. We draw the sketch. ඔයගලන්ට කලින් අර ඇක්ටිවිටි බලප් එක පැහැදිලි නැත්නම් ලින්ක් එක දාලා ඇති. ඒක බලන්න. ඒ ටික තමයි එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් එක තියෙන්නේ. පුතේ හරිද?
ගොඩයින් සර්.
නෑ සර්.
මේක අඳින්න ඕනේ පුතේ මෙතෙන්ට යටින් ওই පොඩි ඉඩක් තියෙන්නේ. මෙතන හරි. ඇති නේද? ටයිම් එක.
ගොඩයින් සර්.
එහෙනම් කියන එකද අඳින්නේ?
හරි සර්.
අන්තිම එක.
හරි හරි සර්.
හරි. දැන් බලන්න. Held a magnesium ribbon into the Bunsen burner flame with the pair of tongues. Second one, heated crystals of potassium permanganate in a boiling tube and insert a glowing splinter. Took some copper sulfate solution into a test tube and added a clean zinc granule into it. Last one, took a little barium chloride solution into a test tube and add a little sulfuric acid solution into it. They write the reaction, and there are 4 reactions in here. So can you put the numbers first one, second, third, and fourth one? First one, second, third, and fourth one in the reaction column. In the reaction column, put the numbers 1 to 4, right? Put the numbers 1 to 4, right? For the observation, then write the observation first one, burning magnesium. Now they produce bright white flame. produce bright white flame. සුදු පාට දැල්ලක් එක දහණය වෙනවා. Then nature of the product. So what happened after the combustion and after the when vanishing the white color flame, we can see the white powder. Then nature of the product is form white powder. Right, the nature of the products formed white powder. Then second reaction, right? KMnO4, or we call CONDIS, potassium permanganate thermal decompose. So what is the observation? When we insert glowing splinter, it's relighted. Then write the observation, glowing splinter relighted. Glowing splinter relighted. Glowing splinter relighted. Nature of the product, for this relight because of the evolving gas. Then write the nature of the product, produce a gas. That time evolved a gas. Evolved a gas. Right, for the next one, third one, and we can identify observation, right? And the color intensity gradually decreasing. And blue color intensity of copper sulfate gradually decrease and zinc dissolve. Zinc එක dissolve වෙනවා. Write the observation for the third one. Blue color intensity gradually reduced. Blue color intensity gradually reduced. Then nature of the product, deposited brown color copper. Deposited brown color copper. Copper deposit වෙනවා. Deposited brown colored copper. Reaction ටික තියෙනවා, link එක පැහැදිලි නැත්නම් ආයි බලන්න එක. The last one, barium chloride plus sulfuric. At the beginning both are colorless, right? Then when mixed together, making white precipitate. By the observation, formed a white precipitate. Formed a white precipitate. For the nature of the product, right? In a form the solid precipitate, and that's the nature of the product. To write down same white color, barium sulfate, BaSO4, white color barium sulfate, BaSO4 precipitate, barium sulfate precipitate. Barium sulfate, BaSO4, barium sulfate, BaSO4.
මොකක්ද precipitate කියන්නේ?
Precipitate කියන්නේ liquids දෙකක් එකට එකතු කරාම හරිද? අර මතකද අර දැන් වීඩියෝ එකේ ඔයගලන්ට පෙන්නනවා නම් liquids දෙක එකට එකතු කරාම හැදෙනවා සුදු පාට හරි කහ පාට හරි solid එකක්. හරිද? We have to mix two liquids together and making a solid substance within the liquid. Liquid dekේ හැදෙන solid එකක්. Then that the form solid is called precipitate. ඒ හැදෙන solid එකට කියනවා precipitate එක කියලා. හරි? Okay. Reactants and products. So earlier we discussed about the reactants and products. Initial substance before form the product we call reactants. Example AB converts to A plus B. How do you call for the initial substance before form the product? This is called reactant. Reactant. Newly formed substance, how do you call? Products. Newly formed substance is called product. But as well as you can write A plus B getting together making AB. Right? How do you call for A plus B? Reactants. Reactants. And this is called product. Product. Right? One thing. The initial substance, they are the initial substance or substances, right? Initial substance taking part in a chemical change are called reactants. Write down. The initial substances taking part in a chemical change are called reactants. Takvindu, check කරන නවත්තන්න. මම තියනවා waiting room එකට දාලා. For the next one, new substance. They are the new substances. How do you call product, right? The new substances produced by a chemical changes are known as products. During a chemical reaction, reactant turn into products. We write the first one, and this is the common reaction. Reactant turns to products. Write down this reaction. Right. For the next one, type of chemical reaction. Right. There are 4 types of chemical reaction, so we can easily identify them. Right. The one of the example, photosynthesis. Right. Photosynthesis, one of the chemical reaction take place within the plant cell under presence of sunlight by taking carbon dioxide gas and water. Right. As well as it takes place within the chloroplast by using a pigment chlorophyll. And finally form products, main product glucose and byproduct oxygen gas. So what is the name of the reaction? Photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means combine. Such a reaction we call combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Right? Then you can identify. And this is the first type of chemical reaction, A plus B making AB. How do you call for this? Combination. Combination or synthesis. Chemical combination or synthesis reactions. Right? Next one. And again we can convert AB product to A plus B. Such a reaction is called decomposition. Decomposition reactions. AB again turns to A plus B. The next one, single displacement. Single displacement reactions. Then here, AB, this is the ionic compound, right? A plus B minus react with C. So C convert to cation, C plus. C plus convert, react with the B minus, making CBNA. How do you call? Single displacement reaction. Later we discuss. Next one, double. Double displacement reactions. Double displacement mean AB plus CD. This is positive, negative, positive, negative. Then exchange the opposite ion. මාරු කරගන්නවා විරුද්ධ දෙන්න. But first we need to write the positive ion. How do you call cation? A react with D, AD plus C reacted with B, CB. How do you call for such a reaction? We call double displacement reaction. So they are the 4 types of chemical reaction. If you know about the basic formula, easily you can identify the type of reaction when given the standard reaction. සම්මත සමීකරණ reaction එක දුන්නාට පස්සේ අපිට අඳුන ගන්න වෙනවා මේ මොනවද reaction එක single displacement ද double displacement combination or thermal decomposition ද කියලා. හරි බලන්න. Type of chemical reaction. There are 4 types of chemical reaction according to the nature of the chemical changes. මේ reaction එක ලියන්න එපා. නම් 4 විතරක් ලියන්න. හරිද? Write the first one, combination reaction.
සයිතර ඒකට උඩ එකන මොකක්ද කියන්නේ?
එතන මේ මෙතන පුතේ. මෙතන මම
ලියන්න ඊටමදීනේ.
reaction ලියන්න එපා. නම් ටික විතරක් ලියන්න. Combination or synthesis reaction.
සර් ඊතලයක් ගහලා තියෙන්නේ.
එතන මම
ලියන්න.
එතන ලියන්න කිව්වේ A plus B අර කලින් reaction එක. ඒක අතන දැන් ඔහොම කියන්නකො සෙනුල් මම පස්සේ ලියන්න ඒක. දැන් මේ ටික ලියන්න. Don't write. Right? And this reaction, write down their name only, right? නම් ටික විතරක් ලියන්න. First one, combination or synthesis reaction. Combination or synthesis reaction. Combination or synthesis reaction. Right, the second one, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Most of the instant needed heat energy, right? Therefore, commonly called thermal decomposition reaction, right? Third one, single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. Last one, double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions.